Hello, my name is Jay Benson and I'm an employee at TigerTough. I started here in October of 2005. I started as a temporary employee and I came in and started working, and I really enjoyed the atmosphere and the company. There's about a total of 8 employees. That's office staff, the sewing machine operators, cutting, all of the whole factory all together was like 8 people. I started out running a serge machine, which we don't even do the product that I worked on anymore. I grew with the company. I've worked in sewing, I've worked in cutting, I've worked in embroidery, I've worked in R&D, I've worked in purchasing and quality control, and pretty much anything else that's related to the factory. Now I've moved up into the role that I'm in currently. My title is Planning Procurement Manager. I was previously the production manager, and I moved into this to make sure that our outsourced companies are maintaining their numbers as well, getting product to us when it needs to get here so we can get it out to our customers on time. Some of the things that I like about working here are the people. We have a great team. It's like a family atmosphere, but yet it's also a professional place to work. The place is clean and bright. It makes you feel like you're coming to a place where you can enjoy being for 8 hours at a time. I like to have ambitious coworkers, people that can work independently but yet work as a team. They do what they need to do and enjoy it and have fun. If you were looking to come to TigerTough, it would definitely be a good decision. We're looking for energetic people that like to work, like to be part of a fun team. So we had an experience a few years ago. We were looking at buying an automated machine for a process that we were doing, and there was somebody that asked, why do we do the process? And we got talking about it, and we realized the process could be completely eliminated, and it was not something that we even needed to do. So experience goes a long ways. You can brainstorm together with your teammates, and you can come up with processes that maybe can be eliminated or something to speed up the process. And your feedback will be very important to the company, and it's something that can help the company grow to new levels.